Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 6 latest defense updates. Number 1, German submarine for local manufacturing. The Indian Navy is set to award a contract for the local manufacturing of 6 diesel-electric submarines to Mazagon Dock Shipyard Limited in partnership with ThyssenKrupp Marine Systems of Germany. The German submarine was selected over competing bids from the Spanish shipyard and Larsen and Toubro. Next, to supply civilian ALH Dhruv helicopters to ONGC for offshore operations. Indian state-owned aerospace giant HAL has secured a landmark deal to supply civilian ALH Dhruv, that is Advanced Light Helicopters, to the Oil and Natural Gas Corporation ONGC. The helicopters will be used to transport personnel and equipment to offshore oil rigs in the open seas, a crucial part of ONGC's operational needs. Next, Tejas Mk2 design based on Onera wind tunnel tests. According to the Alpha Defense YouTube channel, the Aeronautical Development Agency of India is set to further refine the design of Tejas Mk2 fighter jet following crucial wind tunnel tests conducted by the French National Aerospace Research Centre ONERA, Office National d'Études et de Recherche Aerospatiale. These tests have yielded critical data that will influence the optimization of key components such as the air intake and canards, which will be incorporated into the upcoming prototypes of Tejas Mk2. Next, Armenia and Morocco are the brand ambassadors of Atmanirbhar Bharat opinion. In a remarkable development, Armenia and Morocco have emerged as unexpected champions of India's defense manufacturing sector even before the Indian Army itself has inducted some of the indigenous defense products. These two nations have recently embraced Indian-made military equipment, symbolizing the success of India's Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative on the global stage. Armenia's acquisition of ATAGS and Morocco's purchase of the VAP 8x8 amphibious armored vehicle underscore the rising credibility of Indian defense exports. Next, first detonation tube research facility. The Indian Institute of Technology Kanpur has unveiled a detonation tube research facility in the combustion and propulsion laboratory of the institute, funded by the Aeronautic Research and Development Board DRDO and the Indian Space Research Organization. This is the first facility of its kind in India and among only a few globally. Next, Tata Advanced System to make wheeled armed vehicles in Morocco. In a major success for the Make in India initiative, the Kingdom of Morocco Royal Armed Forces and the Tata Advanced System signed a deal for local production of wheeled armored platform. According to an official statement from Tata Advanced Systems, said Kingdom of Morocco's Royal Armed Forces and Tata Advanced Systems signed deal for local production of wheeled armored platform. Thank you.